Today, I'm going to show you how you can use the mobile app to manage your event business on the go. Don't you just hate it when you miss inquiries because you're out on a site visit or away from your desk? With the mobile app, you can access all of your clients, conversations, site walkthroughs, payments, and more, so you can manage everything from your event business right from your pocket. To get started, navigate to Mobile App within your sub-account to learn more and download the mobile app from this screen. We can either download the mobile app on the App Store, the Google Play Store, or we can invite users inside our sub-account to the mobile app by selecting the user and clicking Send Invites. When you open the app, you'll land on your homepage, which gives you a quick at-a-glance view of your event opportunities, pipeline value, and overall booking activity, so you immediately know what needs attention. From here, you can customize things like your pinned apps by clicking the edit icon and selecting different tools like your dashboard, calendar, tasks, AI tools, and more, so the tools you use the most are always just one tap away. You can also navigate to any of these apps by simply clicking the app's icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. We can then see all of our different apps from insight and productivity, communication, sales, and marketing. Let's get started with a look at our dashboard. From here, we can see information like our event sales and pipeline values, our marketing values, such as different campaigns we're running for upcoming dates, our sub-account users, clients, outreach campaigns, and more. Then we can go back and navigate to Conversations, which is next to our Home tab. Here is our one inbox where SMS, email, social media platforms, and more all come together, so we can manage every client and supplier conversation in one place. We can see all conversations under Team Inbox, conversations assigned to us under My Inbox, and internal chat messages between our event coordinators. We can also create new conversations by clicking the plus icon, then selecting either New Direct Message, New Email, New Group Message, or New Internal Chat. We can then select any of these, such as direct message, pick one of our clients, write an SMS or email, and then create this message and send it. We can also send images and videos using the camera icon, handy for confirming room sets or stage layouts, and add attachments like floor plans using the plus icon. We can also call our clients straight from here using the call button in the top right and navigate to our contact card by simply clicking Tap to view contact info. This lets us see all of our information for this client, such as their custom fields, tasks, notes, appointments, payments, and documents. Using the Conversation Manager, we can get push notifications whenever an inquiry comes in, and we can manage every event conversation on the go. If a client is ready to book a show date or site walkthrough, you can head over to Calendars to view your schedule, book a new appointment, or reschedule an existing one in just a few taps. You can schedule new appointments by clicking the plus icon and then clicking Schedule Appointment, selecting your client, selecting your time slot, and then clicking Save. You can also edit appointments by changing the appointment status from things like confirmed to unconfirmed. You can also manage your event pipelines by navigating to opportunities by going to apps and then selecting opportunities from the sales and operations section. Here we can see all of our event pipelines, search for opportunities at the top, add filters, and manage our event cards straight from this screen using custom fields like venue, headcount, and date. We can manage opportunities by either deleting them or moving them between stages, dragging an event from initial inquiry through to contract signed and delivered. If you need to find something fast, we can go back and use the search icon at the bottom of our screen. This lets us search across our entire sub-account, finding clients associated with different events, walkthroughs, and more. To see all of our contacts at a glance, we can navigate back over to Apps and then click Contacts from Communication. Here we can see all of our clients and our different smart lists, split by venue type or repeat bookers. We can manage our contacts, create new ones by adding them or scanning business cards collected at a trade show, and manage all our information here. From our contact cards, we can call or message clients immediately right within the app just by tapping the call, message, email, meeting, or charge buttons. Using Charge, we can use our already integrated payment provider from the desktop app right in the mobile app, adding different packages, charging deposits and balances, and assigning payments to clients. And once you have a happy client after a successful event, you can always navigate back over to Apps and scroll down to Reputation under Marketing and Growth in order to send out new review requests using the plus icon in the top right-hand side of your screen. Here you can select contacts, choose modes of sending your reputation request, and click Send Request to collect fresh reviews on the back of a great event. And as always, you can manage every other part of your event business right within the app through the Apps page and get notifications to your device, so you'll never miss an inquiry no matter where you are, even on show day. Now you should feel more confident about using the mobile app to manage your event business on the go. I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.